Hi Lovelies, it's Occraft here, and for this video, I am going to share with you what's inside the Secret Garden Cafe. But before that, let's appreciate the sunset. The Secret Garden Cafe is located at number 23 Opal Street, SM Village, Bankal, Davao City. It is typically inside the residential area. Upon entering, I was amazed on how tiny it was. The place can only accommodate more or less 8 to 10 persons. Buti na lang, 3 lang kami customer during our visit. The place is so cozy and really amazing kasi ang daming plants na naka-display at ang daming small abubuts na makikita mo everywhere. Aside from plants and vintage items, they also have stationery area. Now for the food, they offer coffee and non-coffee drinks, pasta, and sandwiches. And they also have signature drinks. While waiting for our food, I went back again to check the stationery area. They sell assorted postcard which is originally artwork of some local Davao artists. Actually, during this time, gusto ko sila lahat bilihin pero may budget lang ako na dapat isa lang ang bilihin kong postcard set, which is postcard cost around 150 pesos. Pero ang napili ko yung kay Paulo Ramirez. Tapos nakita ko pa ito, parang set na stationery. My goodness! My stationery heart is pumping, you know. During my stay, hindi talaga ako na-bored. Kasi ang daming plants, although I don't know what kind of plant it is kasi hindi ako plantita, pero ang daming mga abubot items like this Polaroid. See, so vintage. And then I saw some vintage phone. Diba? And then this vintage radio, and this girl painting, and of course the Buddha. Diba? Ang ganda. As in, ang daming stuff. Di talaga maboard ang eyes mo doon. Now, our food arrived. We ordered creamy carbonara, croissant with cream cheese and bacon bits, and iced caramel macchiato drink. It's time to eat! Overall, I like the food. Actually, ang dami pa nilang food doon na gusto kong itry. And then, I love the place kasi it's so perfect for me time and IG content. So, there you have it, lovelies. Thank you for watching this vlog. Until next time, bye!